Video generation through the use of artificial intelligence, AI, has become a transformative tool available to diverse sectors, including entertainment, education, marketing, and more. Understanding how these tools can be effectively harnessed is crucial for those looking to integrate AI-generated videos into their respective fields. This narrative aims to elucidate some easy methods to generate AI videos, providing a useful foundation for beginners and professionals alike. The emergence of AI in video generation primarily pivots around machine learning algorithms and neural networks that mimic cognitive functions. One common method involves using generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, which work in tandem to create fake images and evaluate their authenticity. This continuous learning loop results in highly realistic video content. Tools like deepfake use GANs to create photorealistic videos by swapping faces in existing footage with considerable accuracy. Another straightforward method employs AI-based video editing tools, such as Magisto and Wibbits. These platforms leverage AI to automatically curate, edit, and produce engaging video content from simple video clips, saving both time and effort. Users merely upload their footage and select desired themes or music, and the algorithm performs complex editing tasks, such as selecting the best scenes, adjusting lighting and colors, and even adding transitions and effects. AI video synthesis tools, such as Synthesia, offer another user-friendly approach. These systems focus on creating professional quality videos that feature synthetic human presenters. Users can script dialogues, choose avatars, and customize settings like background and attire to generate compelling instructional or promotional content. Lastly, AI animation tools such as Plotagon and Viand enable users to create animated videos without requiring an animation background. In conclusion, the advancement of AI has democratized video production, making it accessible to a broader audience.